me ma kwaba adeba Adom TV. What to say? We Nkuranhyensem bre. Na me am ti dwam am de on cha me edi am yeso ani ni tekotego. Mi swano na ma meta ato nwum bi kire me. Amento nkire wa na paye. Mi di masem betu nanim. Mi di mama ni hunu na so beba nanim. Na ma se what is anyu no da. Se ma me friend no Pastor Abraham was there. O se ordinasem betu awurade anim. Na me de mekoto se nyina be ma awurade ana pay for asem nyina ma awurade. Ne ekoso no a de ankoyie ne ene nyina no fato awurade anim. Ekoso ewo factory of life. Abrabo aye boy ni ebe nyina so ne adwene. A better life starts when you become conscious of your thoughts and decide to change them. A better life, a good life, a wealthy life, a successful life, a life that is rewarding starts when you become conscious of your thoughts and decide to change them. Onipa bia wa brabo be koye na dimu a dedi kan se o ye ne se ya se ususu adwena wodwena ususu fatu nsam adwene be na ma adwene na pay adwene be na koso ma adwene mu awia we e de na ma adwene ho na adwene suso. You need to examine the content of your thoughts and then you weed out thoughts that limit you. And so to be catch on say adwene bi e be kam ya hye adwene bi e be ma brabo ayesem ya begro ni. Every thought that will not give me confidence, I will never allow it to take control over my life. We must say, we see so no, you tell me maybe, you can send be, and that's how you are thinking the way you are thinking. All of us, our thoughts are manufactured from our subconscious mind because of what we went through and what we've seen so far. I dream about no conscious mind that some maybe someone say adwene me badwene ni so so say adwene me dwene but if you have the patience and the calmness to examine your thoughts, you examine your life, you can always produce the life you want. From say what drive no be across what you want so me cross no be hey twen me cross na dey na menya me cross na say me because ba dey na beba amento me bono mfa ne sebe ne musuo nko wadwene wa makwan wa ye nia wapo ayo na de cross wa na hey no so cross ne mi wan sa wadwene mu anye na wa cross na asem aba ya na ya bra bon sunsun so de enya nyina no ne nyina so any sa automatic wheel na e da adwene protomatia so hu me ko onya kai uyi onipa onya kai uyi onipa enti adwene ba tobo ntoboase ye kasa ntoboase a ntoboase ne sa wotobo asa wadwene mu aye de safata sempo se osa wadwene mu na obre adwene abadwene obetimi afre ni teko na afro bi na wasesa adwene awodwene for the thought replacement or change your thoughts. Make out your conclusion bi and also renew your mind to transform your life. Renew your mind. So sakra wadwene mu a abrabo musesa obi ebi yenko yebi etusa yenko tusa obi ekọ dabi. Renew your mind. Sit back and think twice. What am I going to do with this thing? Sadia to me then ameya fa ho kwambe so na meye namanya anu aduro empo emwa ben na mepe hwehunu ben na mehwe afri mu nyansa ben na mefa ne anamontuo ben na mefa. Think twice. Think about what you are thinking about and you change your emotions. So which you will be now I so nipa we say be on sem fata we dey onye mama we say na o kasa acha ho a na ma beti so we dey on sem fata me che no sa abeti na o ma so no efiri adwene a odwene fa nipa no e na show bi so kasa we dey oye honorable no abutu honorable enye sa ko brase na wo ne mo adwene a odwene fa honorable ho no na ahonabo yo enti no adwene abadwene bia no etemi kenya o etemi pegya o sabi wo hia ba awakwa mu na afre no wo a ehu beka o na hwe abani dina kasa we de aba obebo atra aba no wadwene ena di ehunu ebre wo wadwene ena di ye di ebre wo odasani onyame ma wadwene wonkwa na ma wadwene wanfa wadwene ankɔhye obi tim enti obi ya wade a memo abrabɔ nkɔhye remote control hye obi nsa wa mia sere no asere wa mia su no wasu wa mia kɔ dabi wona wadwene kura wo wadwene eni obi tim enti ya na wasusu wadwene ekere wadwene ama wadwene akenya wo aye ne sefata. Your mind is not in anybody's head. You are the sole owner of your thoughts. Therefore, you have to decide how you want to feel at every moment of your life. So become aware of your thoughts. Understand what you are thinking about and reason about what you are thinking about. Susunya wodwene ho. Nothing ya wodwene ho ase. Once you do that, you then become aware of your emotions. Na afi watin kan so abeda wonsem adwena medwene be kanya abufu adwena medwene be kanya yodie adwena medwene be kanya awerɛho sɛ wonhu saa capture the emotions atinka we de anya mame abufu atinka awerɛho atinka abomfi atinka de emmoa me. Then you take control and replace your thoughts. Yɛsɛ menye enso meye yɛsɛ me ho nyɛ fɛ enso me hwɛ Nyankopɔn na ɛbɔ me dimu me sefata. Yɛsɛ me de bi nko school ntimi nya hwɛ yɛboa sɛbe minimo bi onko school ayeye sɛ me pesua hunu na me pensa na adwuma papa na me sua me so meye de ka kire wo bia no can the opposite. Yɛsɛ me etiawa me ntimi nya we yɛboa sɛ me training na me practice a metimi ayo. Yɛsɛ me atenten do me ntimi nkoto yɛboa sɛ me exercise da bia metimi akoto adie bia ewo wiase obi aye bi da no wo so betimi ayo ni nyina so ene adwene a wodwene awarepa asetena pa adwuma pa yedie ekurao na wadwene proso apomudne enkanko ninkunimdi ekurao wadwene proso eni baabia enya de wo sika ene mo aye yi na me hu sika ni a wadi miada ene ye de wagidini ena wodi na chi a obeyi uye die ekura wadwene wade mo asumdwe it is here apomudne edaha wa brabo nsunsanso afuo wi ayefa na wadwene emu na wo ne abedo atwitwa no ne abedua wo mu no ena abetwa wadwene ayese garden se awo wo mu ensoye wo mu a ene dey tutu nsoye a wo wadwene proso ne kum awo a egum nyinara ne dua rose ne dua sabe bayire na abetwa bayire adwene bia abesusu ana pawia na nwumre no eta abemma. You attract what you think consistently. Think positively. Think healthy thoughts and think good thoughts. Think thoughts that will inspire you. Think thoughts of wisdom and think thoughts that will create greatness in you. Never look down upon yourself. Don't give up yet. You have more good days ahead of you than the days that are gone. Emre da wani mun na doso. Empaba ensu ensuro Kenya wadwene na wo Kenya wadwene obenya wo bi obeboa wo. You see, likeness attracts likeness in thinking patterns. Ya na wo Kenya wadwene asempabo na kan adwen papa na kan sempa obetwi obi a otise wo aben wo na mpo benya boafo mpo obetwetwe di ampo no ono odwadwen pa no menua ana meja wo moma ya nsusu adwen ayadwene na enyu adwen pa na nkenya tenkapa na nkenya subampa wate mamena enokase ona eme cameraman na mena Frank ase ona eme sound na mena MC afo ase mena floor manager ase na mena lighting na feminko production room na mena Randolph ena Eja Webek ampedu ase wo a onya amrehwe me soso no enhira enya wodia midiam jeso eye ni tekotego ana meja wo oni onyame entira.